Okay, so always being a fan of the iMac, the desktop computer from Apple. And in fact, I had an i3 years and years ago. And I'm going to tell you, this new N1 computers that are coming out is amazing. And by now, you guys know that the performance is out of control. I mean, the things that you could do with these computers nowadays compared to the older computers is incredible. Just yesterday, my wife was in this computer and I was telling her how fast her computer was because it actually belongs to her. I do have a MacBook Pro that I use, but this M1 computer that she has is really fantastic, really fast. So what we got here is a 2021 Apple iMac 24-inch screen. So again, this is kind of like a design that they came out that is not just your typical iMac. Typically, the iMac doesn't come in all these different colors. This was kind of like an addition that Apple came out that allows you to get in multiple different colors. I mean, you could go from blue to green to silver to red. Again, you could kind of make it your own. This one right here that we have, I believe is green, the color, and is really fantastic. So again, it's going to be the 2021 Apple iMac. The screen is going to be about 24 inches. Obviously, it's going to have that N1 chip. Now, you could get it on a 7-core GPU, or you could get it in an 8-core. We opted to go with, the 8-core because it's a little bit, obviously, a little bit better. Then again, you could get it with 256 gig or 512. The one that I'm showing you right now is 256 gigs. Really, guys, if you want more memory, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is buy a little external memory or something like that, attach it to the computer, and that's about it. So the computer is going to have different connections in the back. It's going to have USB ports. It's going to have Thunderbolt ports as well. It's going to have a 1080p Facetime HD camera. They're stepping it up. A lot of the computers come with a 720p. So again, having a 1080p is just really fantastic. Obviously, you're gonna have your keyboard that is wireless or is Bluetooth. You're gonna have your mouse as well. So it's not gonna be any cables or anything like that. What I like about that compared to something like this old keyboard right here, is that this one needs to have batteries. So I had to replace and put some batteries. The one that it comes with this computer, you could charge it, right? So it has a connection that you plug it in, you charge it, and that's about it. The screen is going to be super flat. I'm going to give you a side picture here for you guys to see it. And like I say, very flat, very slim, really doesn't take that much space. And if you see it here in the desk, it looks fantastic. So if you're going to put it in your desk, office, or whatever, it just looks like such a cool computer. And it looks so clean, so nice, so professional. So again, we got this computer since it came out, guys. We actually had to order it. And again, it took a while to make it to the house. And I'm going to tell you, my wife uses this computer all the time. I use it every now and then. But primarily, she's the one who uses it for college and schools and writing papers and things like that. So it has been a while since the computer has been here with us, and I'm gonna tell you, it's fantastic. It's fast, it's responsive, it does everything that we needed to do, and it does it in a very fast manner. My wife loves this computer, and I'm gonna tell you, for the price that you pay for this, if you're looking for a desktop computer, it's actually a really good choice.